Fine, thank you so much.
Ma'am, we would like to know more about your school and organization.
Um, First of all, I'm Dr. Neeru Joshi, Principal of VBPS Ghaziabad.
Okay.
Well, my journey to this Edu Summit is like knowing and sharing my ideas with others because I'm the motivational speaker also.
Okay.
I used to go to schools once in a month to the different states to interact with teaching community.
Okay.
So this is all about me that I'm a learner still and love to talk with teachers and students.
Okay. So, ma'am, what valuable sessions that you have come up with this summit today?
Exactly. The main agenda, what I saw here, right? The main agenda is blended learning, blended and flexible learning, FAM, right?
Okay.
And in the ever evolving landscape of education. So what we have seen so far, we have seen that yes, the innovation is continuing to reshape the traditional teaching methodology, and one such innovation gaining momentum in the era is the FAB, flexible and blended learning, right? Because that combines face-to-face interaction with online learning sources, right? So yes, this is the stuff wherein I think teachers, they do have the enough time to uh, tailor the instructions to individual students' needs. And on the other side, such courses, syllabus, and multimedia resources,
Right.
they actually promote that environment wherein student also they feel very comfortable because every student, they do have their own learning need and learning style, right? So we have seen that from that virtual simulations to collaborating projects, digital element, they catch the students' need, interest, what they are looking for, and automatically that fosters deep understanding for content in them. So this is the student need to incorporate all interactive online tools and multimedia resources.
Right.
So that is very important, and I think the teachers, they are the one who can navigate such things in the classroom because such things, the blended learning, whenever we talk about, that opens a wide the global space to them for teachers and for students. But it is very important that where the student they are navigating to, because the world of internet, that is not only the edutainment, that is entertainment too. So
Right.
the teachers and the parents, they need to be very focused that yes, what they are surfing in the net, is it worthy? And even in the blended learning, when we talk about on the international level, we have seen Coursera, Udemy. I mean, so they're partnering with the top universities in India, and they're giving the online courses and all. So yes, such summit give the very fair idea about work together, learn together, grow together, and then only we can say that yes, the purpose is going to be suffice. Otherwise, it is all in vain. So this is all about the agenda here.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
We are privileged to
Thank you
to
so
have you
much.
here
Thank you
today.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.